Hi everyone, I'm Nicole David, and I'm so happy to be here sharing all of you. Today, I'll be reading a book that was written by our Malaysian students, and it's called Felix's Birthday Lesson, written by Shaktira Mohan and Islin, and also is illustrated by Islin. All right, let's get started. Felix's Birthday Lesson. Today is Felix the Fox's birthday. He has invited all his friends from school to celebrate with him at his party. One by one, his friends arrive. Felix the Fox greets each of them with a hug, including Harry the Hedgehog. Harry the Hedgehog does not like hugs. He is scared of hurting his friends with his little spikes. Harry the Hedgehog is too scared to tell Felix the Fox, so he walks away, feeling sad. After everyone arrives, Felix the Fox decides to play hide and tickle with his friends. Oh no, says Bella the Bunny. Bella the Bunny has been found. Bella the Bunny loses the game. Felix the Fox tickles Bella the Bunny, but she does not like to be tickled. Bella the Bunny is too scared to tell Felix the Fox. She walks away, feeling sad. After the game, Felix the Fox decides to play dress up with his friends. After putting on his suit, Felix the Fox wants a partner to wear a pretty dress with him. Felix the Fox puts on his mother's gorgeous pink dress on Gina the Giraffe right away. But Gina the Giraffe does not like wearing dresses. Dresses make Gina the Giraffe uncomfortable. Gina the Giraffe is too scared to tell Felix the Fox, so she also walks away, feeling sad. After playing dress up, Felix the Fox decides to have a dance party in his backyard. He hops around and dances with his friends. Felix the Fox spots Sarah the Sloth sitting in a corner alone. He grabs her hand and pulls her to the dance floor. Sarah the Sloth does not like being tugged and grabbed. Sarah the Sloth also does not like dancing because she moves very slowly. Instead of feeling sad, Sarah the Sloth wants to stand up for herself and her friends. You should not force people to do things they do not want to, Felix. But what do you mean, Sarah? I do not like tickles. It does not make me giggle. I do not like hugs. I'm scared my spikes will hurt you. I do not like dresses. It makes me uncomfortable. You see, not everyone enjoys what you enjoy, says Sarah the Sloth. You should also always ask before you do something with your friends. I understand now, Felix the Fox says. I should not force you to do all the things I want before asking if you want to. I should not touch, hug, or grab you if you do not like it. I'm so sorry, my dear friends. All of Felix the Fox's friends nod and smile. We forgive you, Felix, they say all together. It was finally time for Felix the Fox's birthday cake. Everyone gathered around Felix the Fox's birthday cake to sing him the birthday song. After he blows out the candles, everyone claps and Felix the Fox feels very happy. Can we hug you now, Felix? Asked Harry the Hedgehog. That would make me feel so happy, answers Felix the Fox. I'm so happy to learn how to respect my friends, and I am so happy that you were brave enough to tell me when you were sad about something I did. Felix the Fox and his friends share the warmest hug ever. So I hope you enjoyed the story. Reading is so much fun and it's so important because it opens your mind to so much knowledge and you learn so much as you read. At the same time, you also learn and improve your language as well. Make it really interesting and exciting for you when as you read. Oh, we got a new friend here. She likes reading too. Her name is Celia. And also, you can explore a world of possibilities when you start reading. So enjoy reading with your friends and also make it fun for you. So take care, thank you, and hope to see you soon. Bye. Bye.